Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you're welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video, I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start a video. So friends, first of all, you have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then select insist from here. Then click on this box, then type here 3.5. Then click on this box, then type here 2. Then click on this box, then type here 300. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select the shape tool from here. Then select the rectangle tool. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the shape, then drag the shape in here. Then you have to rotate the shape, then drag the shape in here. Then right click on this, then click on the desktop. Then you have to select this layer, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this, then drag this in here. Then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here, then click on the tick mark. Then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on the layer panel, then double click on here, then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer, then click on the anchor point again, then right click on this, then click on the desktop. Then select this, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this. Then drag this in here, then click on the tick mark. Then select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then double click on here, then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK, then drag this under this layer. Then click on the anchor point, then right click on this, then click on the desktop again. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark again. After that, you have to click on here, then click on the create new. Then you have to click on here, then click on the transparent. Then click on the OK. Then you have to go to the main project. Then you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. After that, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus S button from keyboard. Then select your location. Then you have to click on here, then select the PNG format. Then click on the save. Then click on the OK. Then you have to close this. After that, you have to open the image. Then you have to drag this in here. Then select this, then you have to right click on this, then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the gradient overlay, then you have to click on here, then scroll down from here, then click on the orange. After that, you have to select this color, then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to click on here, then click on the color, then you have to select the pink color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to click on here, then click on the color, then you have to select the blue color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to drag this in here. Then drag this in here. Then you have to drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to click on the reverse. Then click on here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select these layers. Then click on the backspace. Then you have to select these layers. Then increase the size of these layers. Then drag these layers in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then drag this in here. Then select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then click on here. Then click on here. Here, here, here. Then you have to click on 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 here and here. Then click on the fill. Then you have to select the black color. Then select the move tool. Then you have to drag this under these layers. Then select this, then click on the anchor point. Then right click on this, then click on the desktop. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this layer, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then click on the anchor point, then right click on this, then click on the desktop. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then adjust the color from here. After that, you have to select these layers, then lock these layers. Then you have to include the icon and write some text in here. I am already at the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After pasting the text, you have to set this text in here. Then you have to unlock this layer. Then you have to select this layer, then click on the anchor point, then right click on this, then click on the wrap. Then you have to unlock this layer, then select these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then you have to select these layers again, then lock these layers. So now you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After that, you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then decrease the size of this layer. Then you have to select these layers from here, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this layer. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then write your company category in here. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from a PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then back to the main project, then you have to unlock all layers from here. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. After setting business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.